executive.
Umkhandlu dorobha weJwanisbhege uphakamise UThapelo Amad wehlangano ye-Al-Jamah njengemeyara etjha yedorobheli. Amad bekaphalisana nabonkethana bathathu ufunzi ngobeni we-Action SA nemeyara eqeda ukukhutshwa izolo esikhundleni umphalatse we-DA. Uphalatse uthola amavowdi ayi-81 kwathi ungobeni wathola amavowdi ayi-46. UAmad uqaqade phezu kwabo ngamavowdi ayi-138.
Uthapelo Ahmad is the duly elected mayor of the city of Johannesburg municipality. Thank you, councillors.
UAmad wethula ikulumo yakhe ngalendlela ngemva kokukhethwa kwakhe.
Priorities of this administration would be as follows. Service delivery will take precedence. Finances of the city, administrative reform, fraud and corruption, combating fraud and corruption, community participation. We must be equally mindful to the cries of our people who in all honesty yearn for basic services.
Uthi abazokwenza okungcono bona njengorhulumente omutjha kulalela izakhamuzi zedorobheli. Waraka ngokuthi ekuzabaphumelelisa kuhloniphana.
Let us treat each other with dignity and respect. Let us listen to one another, hear from one another and see one another.
Mkhulumeli we-DA uSilius Bring uthi ukukhutshwa kwemeyara akuhlobani nokusebenza kwakhe. Kodwana ngomunye umzamo wehlangano ye-ANC ukulinga ukufumana ilawulo likamasipalata loyo. Ndunankulu weGauteng uPanyaza Lisufu umthokozisile uThapelo Amad.
We are just here to congratulate Thapelo. It is this day. He has done well. He has been committed to this cause for quite some time. And people might know him today, but he has been in this council for years and has been the sole voice trying to bring sense to those that were ignoring us in this municipality.